So 19 now, moving along, z times x minus z minus 4 plus x over 6. X equals 2, z equals 6. This problem looks like a killer, right? Well, it isn't. We're going to get through it. All right, first thing we're going to do is replace the letters by numbers, because that's what we do first all the time. So when you see two letters stuck together like this with nothing in between, that's multiplication. Just like when you see a number next to a bracketed number, that's multiplication. Let's do this. All righty. Z equals 6, x equals 2, z equals 6, x equals 2. Let's do this. 6 times 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 2 over 6. All right. Now that was confusing. Watch it over again if you can't get it. You can listen to it in slow motion. I think YouTube allows that. Alrighty, so now we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we do have an exponent, parentheses right here, right? He's number 1. So we got to do that first. 6 times 2 minus. Now we have 6 minus this number. We have to solve for this first, and every time we have a division like this, we got to solve the numerator and the denominator, then we got to divide. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. So 6 minus 2 over 6 equals. 2 over 6 is really saying 2 divided by 6. And if you think about it, let's reduce this to the lowest common denominator. If I take 2 and 6, I can really, if I divide the top and the bottom by 2, I will get 1/3. So that is 6 times 2 minus 6 minus 1/3, because I just divided the top and the bottom by 2. This is a fraction, we can do that. So we have 6 minus 1/3. All right, we still gotta solve for this. So 6 minus 1/3, what is really, like if we were to divide 6 by 1/3, really what we'd be doing is multiplying it by 3, right? So it's going to be 18 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Because just to show you what I did here, 6 is really 6 over 1. If I multiply everything by 3, the top and the bottom, I get 18 over 3. And that is what I got right here. So we're subtracting fractions. So 18 minus 1 equals 17. The denominator stays the same, right? So I have 6 times 2 minus 17 over 3. So now we multiply these guys, which comes 12 minus 17 over 3. 17 over 3. We're going to do the same trick as we did here. If I multiply, so 12 over 1, if I multiply both top and bottom by 3, I get 36 over 3 minus 17 over 3. 36 minus 17 is, what is 36 minus 17? 19. That's 19. All right. 19 over 3. Am I right? Did I get that right? 19 over 3? What is the solution here? 19? The solution is 7. Did I do that wrong, or is it? Hold on, let me go check. All right, number 20 now. 5 plus QP plus PQ minus Q. P equals 6, Q equals 3. All right. 5 plus, now you notice when the letters are stuck together, that means they're being multiplied. So let's do this. Q equals 3, Q equals 3, Q equals 3. Now we have P, P equals 6, and that's it. So 3 times 6 plus 6 times 3 minus 3. So powers, exponent, not powers, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. 5 plus, what's 3 times 6? 18 plus, what's 6 times 3? 18 minus 3. So this goes here, this goes there, this goes there, this goes there. Take a look at it. If it's going too fast, don't worry about it. Just press on pause. All right. So what do we got left? Addition, addition, subtraction. So we start left, go right. 5 plus 18 equals 23, plus 18 minus 3. 23 plus 18 equals 41, minus 3. Answer is 38. We'll see if I got that. Yes, 38. That's the good answer. So now what are we going to do? We're going to combine like terms. All right. So what does that mean? That means things that are the same, we're going to put them together when we can. All right? That's what it means. Let's do number 21 now. R minus 9 plus 10. Can you subtract 9 from R? I don't think so. So R minus 9 plus 10, that equals 1, right? Plus 1. That looks good. Number 22 now. Minus 4x plus 2 minus 4. Well, can you do minus 4x plus 2? I don't think so. So minus 4x plus 2 minus 4, can you do that? Yeah, of course you can. That equals what? Minus 2, right? Plus 2 minus 4 equals minus 2. And that is your answer. Number 23. N plus n. And that's really 2 times n, right? Do you agree? That equals 2n. Let's look at that. Let's say those were numbers. All right? Let's say n equaled 6. This is imaginary there. This is not the case. So it would be 6 plus 6. If I said 2 times 6, that's 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. It's the same thing, right? That's why you can do this. 24. 4b plus 6 plus 1 plus 7b. I think we can combine these two, right? So that'll be 4b plus 6 plus 1 equals 7 plus 7b. Now notice there's two b's here. Anyways, here. Those are like terms, so it would become 4b plus 7b. That's 11b. 11b plus 7. Right? You have to carry down the 7. And that is the final answer. Next item up for bid on The Price is Right is number 25. Number 25. 8v plus 7v. Now those are like terms if they're both v's. So that's 15v. 26. Minus x plus 8x. Well, minus x really means minus 1x plus 8x. That should make it easier for you. All right, so minus 1 plus 8 equals 7, and we're talking about 7 x's. It's like, think about it, it's like saying minus 1 apple plus 8 apples equals 7 apples, right? 27 minus 7x minus 2x. I think teachers must have a problem losing their voices because I think I'm losing mine. All right. Minus 7 minus 2x. Let's see this. All right. So what are they saying here? These are like terms, right? Because they both have x. So that's saying like minus 7 apples minus 2 apples, which is really minus 9 apples minus 9x. 28 minus 7a minus 6 plus 5. Can you do minus 7a minus 6? No, they're not the same. There's no a here after the 6, so it's minus 7a minus 6 plus 5. Minus 6 plus 5 equals minus 1, right? Minus 6 plus 5 equals minus 1. And that is the answer. 29 now. K minus 2 plus 7. K minus 2, can you really do that? I don't think so. But you can do minus 2 minus 7, which minus 2 plus 7 equals 5. K plus 5. Number 30 now. Minus 8p plus 5p. Those are like terms, right? So these, let's say this p stands for pi. Minus 8 pi's plus 5 pi's. Those are like terms. You can easily do that. And that would be minus 3p. 31. X minus 10 minus 6x plus 1. So let's combine the x's. These are the x's, and let's just combine the numbers. So I have minus 10 plus 1 equals minus 9. And I have x minus 6x, or you could easily say 1x minus 6x, and that is minus 5x, right? And that's the answer for number 31. Moving along to 32, 1 minus 10n minus 10. 1 minus 10 equals 9. Minus 9. So minus 9 minus 10n. Does that make sense? I think it does. I feel pretty good about that one. 33. M minus 2m, which is really saying 1m minus 2m. So if you think about microphones, since it starts with the letter M, so 1 microphone minus 2 microphones, you have a minus 1 microphone less, or just minus m. And that is the answer. 34, 1 minus r minus 6. The minus r, we're gonna leave it alone. So that disappears, I put it here. 1 minus 6 equals minus 5. And that is the answer. Moving along, 35 now. 9n minus 1 plus n plus 4. So just put the regular numbers together. So we have minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4. And that equals 3. Here we have 9n, as in, what does n stand for? 9 nights plus 1 night equals 10 nights. So it's 10 nights plus 3. And that is our answer. And finally, number 36, minus 4b plus 9b. Now, b are like terms, let's call it bathrooms. So you have minus 4 bathrooms plus 9 bathrooms. And when you're dealing with like terms, it's almost like you could imagine as if they weren't there. So this problem really writes itself as minus 4 plus 9 equals whatever your answer is, b, right? Because we're talking about bathrooms, or the letter b. So minus 4 plus 9 equals 5. Your answer is 5b.